How to make jerk shrimp with mashed potatoes and oven-baked broccoli. Peel potatoes and boil in water with 1 tsp of salt. I used 6 potatoes because I made extra. Remove veins and tails from the shrimp and wash thoroughly. Wash broccoli with salt and cut into even pieces. Then season with salt and black pepper and bake in oven for 325 degrees for 15 minutes. In a frying pan, add 1/4 cup of any oil of your choice and then add shrimp and fry for 1 minute on each side. Add sweet peppers, etc. in frying pan with shrimp and simmer for 10 minutes on low heat. Plate your food and enjoy!